In this video, we will demonstrate how to use Dell SupportAssist to restore Windows to its factory image. Please refer to the prerequisite details provided in the video description. Before utilizing Dell SupportAssist for this process, there are a few things that need to be done beforehand. Go to dell.com/support and enter your service tag. Select Support Topics and Articles, scroll down to Additional Resources, and click on the Microsoft Windows option. Click on the Download Windows Operating System Factory installed on your Dell device, and on the next page, download the OS Recovery tool. Once the download is complete, double-click the Dell OS Recovery tool installation package and follow the on-screen instructions. Next, insert a USB drive to the computer where the Dell Recovery tool is installed and launch the Dell Recovery tool. Click Get Started and then click on Next. The Start Recovery page will be displayed and you will need to select one of the following options. This computer, if you are going to restore the operating system on the same computer which has the Dell Recovery tool installed on it, or Other Computer if you want to restore the operating system of a different computer. If you choose Other Computer, you will have to enter the service tag number of the other computer. After making your selection, click Next, and the operating system page will be displayed with download options available for the computer for the service tag entered. Now click the Download to get the SupportAssist Recovery tool. Then download the version of the Windows operating system image that you want. Once the Windows operating system image is downloaded, click Next, and the USB drive page will be displayed. From the USB drive list, select the USB drive you've inserted, and then click Burn OS to create the SupportAssist Recovery USB key. To use the Recovery USB drive, your computer must be plugged into a power source and be connected to the internet. For the computer that you want to restore the operating system, be sure the computer is turned off. Insert the Recovery USB drive you just created, and then turn the computer on. When the Dell logo appears, immediately press the F12 key to enter System Setup. Use the arrow keys to navigate to the boot menu. Select the USB drive for the recovery key you've inserted, and the computer should boot to it. When the SupportAssist OS Recovery homepage is displayed, restore options will be shown. Here you will have the option to back up your files or continue without this step, although it is highly recommended to have your files backed up. Click Restore System, then Restore Now, then click Next to begin the restore process, which can take several minutes to complete. Afterwards, restart your PC. Finally, the Cortana screen will appear so you can finish the setup procedure as normal, and then the SupportAssist Recovery Assistant gets launched to help you with installing the required system updates and restore your data. If you still need help or have any questions, contact us through social media on Facebook or Twitter, and you can always join in a chat on the Dell Community Forum. Be sure to check out our other tutorials on this channel, and if you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.